We out here by the fire. Raw chicken. Where's the enemy? Fire destroy raw chicken. Makes it everybody's favorite chicken. Cooked chicken. Everybody love cooked chicken. Everybody hate raw chicken. But I think they hate raw chicken because they fear raw chicken. Everybody's so afraid of raw chicken. What is the truth about the raw chicken? You put raw chicken there on the fire, it turns good, but natural state, raw chicken very bad. Gives you salmon Nutella. You're gonna die if you eat raw chicken maybe. Gonna be very bad time. But you put raw chicken there. Raw chicken everybody's favorite. No, raw chicken. Excuse me. Cooked chicken everybody's favorite. Everybody loves cooked chicken. Nobody loves raw chicken. But nobody knows raw chicken. So we're gonna find out ourselves. What the fuck is up with raw chicken? So this far, double trouble day. Day 2 felt really good. Nothing happened. Digestion is pretty much perfect, I think. Like I had morning poop, very easy, just sliding out, and it's very small because I don't eat much fiber at all right now, and there is no fiber raw chicken. So it's very small amount, it's solid, no diarrhea at all right now, and it comes out really like fast and easy. And when you eat it, it feels like I said yesterday, there's nothing in your stomach, which is kinda what everybody wants, I think. Nobody likes to be bloated. And what else? Oh yeah, there was negative. I got a couple pimples right there this morning. So, raw chicken, you making me pimples? Are you making me pimples? What's up, raw chicken? I'm gonna put you on the fire. No, we're not gonna do that in this experiment. So, just my breakfast. Arm got a little tired holding this tiny camera. I need some protein, I think. Raw chicken. Is it good protein? Which is better protein, raw or cooked? Raw, cooked. Which is better protein? That's one thing we'll try to find out over here. So this is again breast. It's the same as yesterday. It's nice. It's more bland, but it is not bad bland. It's just neutral. Yeah. Nice day. One thing why this experiment is so fun to do is because everybody fear raw chicken so much. How many times in your life, even if you just slightly undercook your chicken, some girl freaks out, or somebody. It doesn't have to be girl, but usually in my life the women freak out about raw chicken. Yeah. Oh my god, the battery's already. Sorry guys, I messed up. We're still out here. Survived. Day 2 double trouble. A lot of raw chicken yesterday. And it was a good day. Today maybe on this We don't want to die too soon. But yeah, feeling extremely confident. No fear here. Why do you fear raw chicken? Oh. And done. Almost. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. We also got a bit of raw steak. Looks so good. Actually like steak better. Chicken, weak animal. Steak, strong animal. Beef. But because raw beef, everybody kinda a little bit accepts that. At least if you go to the fine dining good restaurant and some pro chef makes you steak tartare, that's acceptable. But raw chicken, only in Japan. Only in Japan you can have raw chicken in restaurant. So raw chicken in Japan good, raw chicken bad everywhere else. But day 3 done. Feeling pretty good, confident as a motherfucker, and we'll see. Maybe it will kick my ass. That would be kinda funny. I'm gonna tell you if I get a diarrhea or some Nutella. I'm gonna be honest. Science has to be honest, guys. Science has to be honest. You cannot lie to the public, to the people. Science has to serve the people. And that's what we try to do here. Thanks for watching. See ya. Thanks guys for making the best food in the world. You're the best.